Hello, I am recording the video and today's topic is data binding. Overview. Data binding is an ASP.NET feature that allows you to pop up data directly into HTML elements and fully formatted controls. These notes present a through overview of the data binding in ASP.NET. First, you will learn an interesting way to create a dynamic text with simple data binding. You will also learn about how ASP.NET builds on this infrastructure with much more useful features, including repeated value binding for quick and easy data display in a list control, and data source control, which let you create code-free bound pages. Content, quick reference examples, key tips, tutorials, single value or simple data binding, repeated value or list data binding, data bound, web server controls, data source controls, updating records using rich data controls, strict concurrency checking, understanding the page life cycle with data binding. Quick reference, single value data binding. It allows you to take a page variable, property or an expression and insert it dynamically into a page. In other words, it allows you to pop up data into HTML elements. To implement single value data binding, use a binding expression within your .spx file. Then convert all the data binding expression on the page via the data binding method of the page object. Repeated value data binding. Bind data to list control or rich data control, which are all controls with a data source property. To use repeated value data binding, create, fill, retrieve your data object, that is SQL data reader or data set, and then assign it as your controls data source, often done in the page.load event or in the ASPX file. When you call data bind, the control automatically create a full list using all the corresponding values. Data source controls. Using the ASP.NET data source controls, you can retrieve data from a database without writing a line of ADO.NET code. Data source controls work particularly well with list and rich data controls. One example is SQL data source, for which command logic is supplied through four properties: select command, insert command, update command and delete command, each of which takes a string. Note that with the SQL data source that you can still use parameterized command, for example control parameter, query string parameter, etc. Also note that many rich data controls have a data key names and auto generated insert, delete, edit button properties. Concurrency checking. Concurrency checking is recommended when developing systems that have frequent data updates and many users. The problem with updating a record based on its ID is that it opens the door to an update that overrides the changes of another user. If these changes are made between the time your page is requested and the time your page commits its update. One way to solve this problem is to use an approach called match all values concurrency, but a better approach is to use a timestamp field. Simple data binding example. Simple data binding .spx convert all the data bindings expression on the page via data bind method on of different control object. After setting data source or the page object, you can assign page class variable values in your code behind and then call this data bind in page load. Simple data binding with control properties. Data binding url.aspx. This example demonstrates simple data binding with page properties and using this technique to set control properties, that is hyperlink, navigate URL or image.image URL. ASP.NET allows powerful feature of data binding. You can bind any server control to simple properties, collection, expression and or method. When you use data binding, you have more flexibility when you use data from database or other means. Data bind controls are container controls, child control. Data binding is a binding control to data from database. With data binding, we can bind a control to a particular column in a table from the database, or we can bind the whole table to the data grid. Data binding provides simple, convenient and powerful way to create a read-write link between the control on form and the data in their application. Data binding allows you to take a result of properties, collection, method calls and database queries and integrate them with your ASP.NET code. You can combine data binding with web controlled rendering to relieve much of the programming burden surrounding web control creation. You can also use data binding with ADO.NET and web control to populate control contents from SQL select statements or store procedures. Data bind controls can display data in connected and disconnected model. Following are data bind control in ASP.NET: repeater control, data grid control, data list control, grid view control, details view, from view, drop down list, list box, etc.